Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, what we're doing is we're gonna be doing a day date kind of thing. And we bought this book last summer. It's called The Adventure Challenge, and this one's the couples edition, which is really cool. So in the book, so they have different sections, and it's kind of cool because it has, so this one's the beginning, and it's a scratch off, so you do have to like scratch it off, and then there's a little place for a photo, and we just have like a Polaroid camera, so we'll take some photos of after the activity and then the photo there. So it tells you about how much money you're spending, and this one says like $5 to $10, and then it has a little clock, and it will tell you you should do it, you know, at any time, or it has to start before a certain time, or do it in the evening or after dark, or you know, whatever. So it will tell you that, and then there's a little hourglass, and it will tell you approximately how long they expect it would take, and it doesn't really give you any clue other than like this first one that says the beginning, right underneath it, it says the helpless baker. So I'm assuming it's gonna have something to do with baking. But otherwise it doesn't give you any idea what it is. So what we did is we went through this and tried to figure out, one, how much money we wanna spend. Well, they have a lot that are free. And then they have different categories. So like the first was like the beginning, and then like a creative couple, and I'm crazy about you, and one, it's called Hotter Than Bay, but it's for like summer activities. So we're gonna do one of those because it's really nice out, so we wanted to take advantage. There's some that says like the double date, or the $10 dates. And then at the back, they have some that are for free. And so it's really cool. They have a bunch of different things. So we're gonna pick one, and we'll show you guys little bits of our date. So if you wanna see what we end up doing, keep on watching. Okay, so we just scratched off this date idea. So this one is for a warm, it's one of the Hotter Than Bay, like warm, sunny day dates. So this one is like a $10 to $15 one. It's called To Die For, but instead of D-I-E, it's spelled D-Y-E. So we're like, I'm assuming you're gonna have to tie-dye something. So that's exactly what you have to do. It says get plain white t-shirts and a tie-dye kit from a craft store. Get a tie-dye shirt, okay, whatever. So we make tie-dye shirts, so we can do that. So we'll show you guys, we'll bring you guys along on our date. Yeah. Come on a date with us. All right, so we got our dye here. We got a green, yellow, purple, a blue. We got Franklin. We have a pink, some rubber bands, and some t-shirts that we already got wet. We're just gonna wrap them up, put them in our little, that's in our shape that we want, right? I don't know. I've never done this before. Okay, well, I'll show you in a second. So I'm kind of wanting to do like some spirals like everywhere. So, well, a couple, we'll see. I might be a little ambitious here, but so that's my thought. We'll see how I manage it. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. I have already flipped it over. I don't know what that actually does. I just saw that on a TikTok, like the guy when he was tie-dyeing shirts. He flipped it over, so this is the back. So yeah, we'll see what that does. I don't really know. So I flipped his over too. I don't know what he's going for. There's a big ball. Do you know what colors you want to use there?
Probably these three.
Okay. You're not a pink and purple man?
No, I'm not.
No. All right. Well, you can... Yeah, we'll get to it. Well, the creativity. We've done this before, but it's been a long time, right?
Mm-hmm. Very long time.
I think you need to saturate it more.
I think so too. I might flip it over and do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, okay. That's a pretty yellow. I like that. Maybe let's leave the caps on. Dang. Oh, yeah. Oh, that green is cool, too.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
No. I feel like you're just going to be mostly white.
Probably. I don't know.
And just like you can use the shirt to wipe this up. Visually, I'm having a hard time figuring out like what it's going to look like when you open up the shirt, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I really don't know. I just folded it in half and twisted it around. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing here.
Yeah. I don't know if this is actually going to work. Let me see. I'll do blue up in this corner. Here. That green is pretty. Do the pink. Pink spots in here. Just a dab will do ya. I'm just gonna use all the colors because why not, right? Oh gosh, what if this is ugly? Ugh.
I mean, it's tie-dye. It's going to be ugly.
Green. Okay, I should have had like a color pattern I wanted to do. That's okay. I really like this yellow. Okay, I need... Should I flip it?
Flip it over, see what it looks like.
I don't know why I'm framing it as if it's gonna do something. I feel like that's pretty. Okay. Maybe we'll just touch up in certain areas. I'm gonna be fancy. Watch that actually be cool. I'm just getting more all over the place. like that. I think that's good. Now we're gonna let, oh no, we gotta put the saran wrap. We'll get that, and then we'll so we'll wrap it. And the adventure challenge book said like 3 to 4 hours, but the tie-dye kit said 6 to 8. I'm just gonna let it sit. It's probably gonna end up being like over 8 hours. Probably gonna be closer to like 12 to 15. And I'll finish this up tomorrow. I think you're just supposed to throw them in the wash after, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then we'll wear them. I think I might like cut mine up a little bit and distress it. And yeah, we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Look how amazing they look. So this one's mine. That one's Joey's. When we were first doing it and he was rolling it up, he decided to fold it in half because he's like, I really hope that it doesn't look like I have like swirls on like, you know, the chest. So he like started it lower and did it in the center, and it looked really cool. And I'm glad we didn't end up saturating all of it because he still has like some white in there, and it looks really, really cool. He honestly probably won't wear it. Like I'll probably wear it, but that's okay. And then this one's mine. I was trying to be really creative with it, and I did some spirals in different places. So I did one down here, up here, and then a small one like in this section. And I like sprinkled a bunch of colors everywhere. So I'm really happy with it. It looks so cool. And I mean, I think they came out really, really good. So yeah. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did have to film like these outro sections later on because we had to wash the shirts and everything, and Joey's not with me today because it's, what's today, Tuesday, so he's at work and I'm getting ready to go to work. I just figured I'd film this outro real fast and then start the editing process super, super fast, and then upload this for you guys. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on, you know, our little date with us. It was different and it was fun, but yeah, the adventure challenge book has some really, really great options, and then some not so great ones. Like the first one that we scratched off was kind of silly, so we were like, I don't know if we want to do that. And also it said to go to like a location, and I don't know, it's just not feasible for us, at least in our area, and also with everything going on, so it was just kind of weird. But anyway, so we decided to scratch off a different one, and I really liked this one. And I get 2 shirts out of it, which is cool. Like I said, Joey's probably not gonna wear his. Oh well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you're updated on everything that him and I post. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, let's start over. Go to the back of your house. Back to your house. I'm so bad at reading. And create